What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are finally getting back on the track. As you can see, we are at Beach Bend Raceway Park, and there's the old turd in tow. Today is going to be the first actual time we put the car on the quarter mile. Super excited, got a lot to do, and we're going to go fast, right?
Right.
Fingers crossed. Fast. Yeah. Alright, boys, we have got the car down, and there's a little bit of a checklist we've got today. Number one, I'm taking the headlight out. You're probably asking you, why are you doing hood rat shit like that? And the reason is, we're trying to get airflow on this filter. Frank from Power by the Hour was saying the shaved engine bays, you'll get higher IATs, which will cause the engine to pull timing. So I'm trying to take as much of advantage of the cool weather. It's about 60, what is it, 65? It's nice. Like, I'm about to take my hoodie off, but so we're gonna try that. Number two thing is, I called Carlos Sabrino on the way here, was telling him what the clutch was doing. He said I need a little more air gap, and so I brought the firewall adjuster out a little bit. So hopefully we should be able to do full send about $6 grand launch. That should be good. Gonna check the oil. Gonna bring front tires up to 40 pounds, and then I'm gonna start out today about 13 pounds in the rear and see how they do. I was gonna go ahead and put a full slick on it, but I still got plenty of meat on these, and they don't give them away, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But guys, we got all kinds of people out. It's gonna be a busy day. There's Ken, there's Phil Roy, Xander, and, I mean, everybody's here, so it's gonna be an awesome day. We're gonna go fast, all right? Thumbs up, fast. It's busy, guys. We got freaking GTRs and Hellcats and all kinds of stuff, so it should be a good day. All right, guys, one last bit of advice we got. Carlos, we're gonna put these, so that's firm. Put these on full loose. And let's see if that helps out a little bit. If I can get the friggin' key in there. Yeah, there you go. All right, so. Alright, so we're good up here. Alright, boys, so it is officially, what time is it?
1:40.
1:40. We have been in the lanes over an hour?
Yes.
Over an hour, and there's still 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 cars ahead of us in our lanes, and they're racing cars coming from under the tower and lanes 1 and 2. So this has definitely not been what I was hoping for. I was hoping to get minimum 3 solid hits today. Like I said, you know, I've changed some stuff on the car. I don't know how it's going to respond. I've never had it on the quarter mile. So I don't know. This is a little aggravating, but what are you going to do? I mean, it's literally, I don't even know how many cars are back there, but this is crazy. This looks like a big race, and it's just a Sunday testing tune. Boys, here we go. we botched that. Hopefully I didn't tear anything up. Thank you. Let's see here. Absolutely terrible. Yeah, I missed that. 198 short time. Friggin' terrible. Ken,
What up, homie?
I screwed up.
It happens. But you know what, though?
I bet you heard me screw up, didn't you?
Well, I heard of it.
I know Philip
But-
heard me screw up.
But it's a man. Hey, look.
Yeah, right.
It's a manual.
It is.
Dude, even the best manual drivers have this issue. But
You're right.
it's
You're right.
here. I'm a manual guy through and through, but that right there, you ain't got to think about nothing but going down the track.
You're right.
I mean, don't get me wrong, I love manuals.
I know
really
he
do.
did. Hey, I did go 96 though, shifting from 3rd to 2nd at the 8th mile. So
You went still went 96?
still at 96
That's
mile
good.
an hour.
That's good.
But you know.
Well, I mean,
Yeah.
your mile per hour, your thing people don't realize is your ET is affected by your 60 foot.
True, yeah.
But your mile per hour is still going to be there.
Yeah.
That's the reason I tell everybody, don't focus so much on your ET as much as your mile per hour.
And it felt good. It felt
Oh,
great
yeah.
going down the track. Then I got my, well, I knew it was going to be shit. I couldn't remember if I was past the 8th mile or not, but I don't know.
Dude,
Oh well.
you back in line, right?
No.
Why?
You can't get in line anymore. That's how far back it is.
Nah, I would just pull back up and
It's
just chill.
I just parked the damn thing. I'm so aggravated. So Philip, I dropped the ball. So for us manual guys,
Don't worry, I'll help you, Bubba, all right? As long as the clutch will hold up.
and also guys, go subscribe to Philip. You're almost at 1,000.
I just need 69 more subscribers.
Guys, 6'9".
That's a good number.
Yeah, exactly. That's a very good
Yes,
number.
it is.
So
Huh? I need 69,
yes,
yeah.
he's almost there.
I know.
50 Philroy guys, go subscribe.
All I need, Bubba.
Philip's on tire. He's out here doing work. So go.
Without the nitrous setup,
Yeah, exactly.
unfortunately,
Yeah, the
but it'd
bottle's
be
in my
okay.
truck. So
Yeah.
All right, boys, the 5 mile long staging lane. Ken is in. Ken, I got you, dude.
There we go, big dog.
Go fast. Ken is gonna go fast. And then, of course, we'll get Philip. Ken,
What's up, Bubba?
You did good, dude.
1168. Well, yeah, it did good. It did good. 18860.
What's your
I was 17460 last weekend.
What's your 8th mile?
76 at 96. So I didn't even get my 74 pass.
I know it. I didn't.
You will. You'll get a good burnout.
I ran 7.7 at 96 mile an hour, and that was. I think I couldn't remember if it was right at the 8th mile or right after, but I shifted from 3rd to 2nd.
Oh no!
It was like boom!
Right on his nose.
I was surprised I didn't like put a hole in the windshield.
Don't window a block out here.
Oh yeah.
No, don't
Hey,
pull
should
it
you go
in.
around them? You know, since the white car's gonna go by himself.
I love this wide angle lens.
Because she's
God
going
almighty,
against
this is
him
great.
again.
I need to run against Daryl.
Fucking
What
wide.
Daryl run?
I'm right up on the car and I see
Daryl run 1166. I run 1168.
Oh, so y'all probably run.
He had a better 60 foot than I did.
Y'all run the same tune, aren't you?
No, he's got a more aggressive tune.
Did it spin? It didn't seem like it spun too much.
This, it did a little.
Yeah. You didn't get much heat in them.
What?
No, I like hers.
No, these are the 150s.
Those are the 150s. I don't know how much those ones were.
Same.
Yeah.
What you do when you're bored at a drag strip? Start.
Well, these are good for driving because they're real narrow. Well, not necessarily.
Hey,
Yeah, those are the ones that I wanted, and then I
you
got
ask
these
them if I
ones.
go around them.
cheapies.
Do what?
I was gonna see if you guys didn't like go around them, so I can get up with Daryl.
That's why I'm
Mine are
slow.
usually 100.
Is there a space in front of them?
Yeah.
Ask them if I can just go around.
I think I'm gonna turn the tow pig into something like this, you know? Get the slicks on the front and the rear. Good Lord. Let's see what this bad boy does. God almighty. Alright, boy, as you can see, Ken is still. It's gonna be a good 2 hours, 2.5 hours before Ken actually makes it up there. Guys, we got a 3-hour freaking drive home. It's not sure how good you can see this guy, but past the 8th mile, almost a quarter mile, all the way down there is the end of the line. Unreal. Locked and loaded. Guess we're gonna head back. Definitely. Alright, boys, yeah. Definitely frustrating. A lot of cool cars, yo, but it's Sunday, 3 hours from home, gotta get back. Gotta love it. So that is what is up, guys. We will definitely be on the track more. The car felt good. The car mile an hour, really good. 96 miles an hour. So, you know, I know the power's there. You know, it spun bad, and then I botched the 3/4 shift, which pretty much sealed that deal. And then, of course, I didn't get to go back and run again. So I'm gonna stop whining now because I sound like a whiner. I will be back on the track, guys. Keep it tuned right here. I promise you, we're gonna get back on the track. So in the meantime, if you feel bad for me, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we'll be back.